Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your Wix Studio website interactive and neat, today's quick tutorial is just for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add an accordion element to your site, customize it to fit your style, and organize your content in a way that's both user-friendly and visually appealing. Accordions are a fantastic way to keep info tidy and let visitors explore topics like FAQs, services, or team bios without overwhelming them all at once. So let's jump right in and get started. First, we're going to add the accordion element itself. Inside Wix Studio, head over to the Add Elements menu. If you're new to this, just look for that familiar plus sign, usually in the left toolbar. It's almost like opening a toolbox for your website. Everything you might want to add is tucked right here. In the search bar at the top, start typing accordion. Wix will instantly narrow down the options and present you with the accordion element. That's the one we want. Go ahead and click on it to add it to your chosen section of the page. Think of this as planting the seed for your new interactive feature. Place it where it'll make the most sense for your site's flow, maybe under a FAQ heading or in a services section. Now let's make it your own. After placing the accordion, don't just settle for the default look. Customizing is where all the fun begins and where you can really align things with your brand personality. Click on the accordion and look for the Manage Items option in the tool panel. This is like your control center for all the little panels inside the accordion. You'll see preset example items like About, Services, and Contact Us. Each of these can be opened up and edited, so don't worry if your topics are different. This is very flexible. If you want to add another section, maybe a pricing or FAQ item, simply click Add Item. Wix makes this process really straightforward, so you can keep expanding your accordion with extra info as you need. Think of it as adding new drawers to a flexible cabinet. Each one can hold something unique. If you're working on a larger site, don't hesitate to play around with the number of items until it feels right for your needs. Next, let's dig into customizing one of those items. Click on About to open its editing options. Here you can change any part of the content from the title to the description below. This is your chance to really let your personality shine through. Want a quirky About section? Go for it. Need to list out detailed services? You've got a whole panel to work with. Here's an important tip: you're not restricted to just text. You can also change the images attached to each item. Maybe you want a friendly photo on your About panel or a graphic representing your services. Simply click on the image area and swap it out for something that fits your brand. Don't worry if it takes a minute to find the perfect picture. Sometimes that's the trickiest part. And the best part, you can repeat this process for every accordion item. Customizing each one ensures your site feels personalized and organized, and your visitors will appreciate how easy it is to find info without getting lost. So that's really all there is to it. Adding and customizing an accordion element in Wix Studio is a simple but powerful way to make your website more engaging and organized. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and feel free to drop any questions or ideas in the comments. I'm always here to help out. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.